Barbie's fashion show.
La 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 la. Oh, what am I going to wear today? This dress is glittery, just my style. But I like this pattern too.
I don't know what to wear to the fashion show. Barbie, can you help me with this? How about this? The black skirt will flatter my figure. And this dot pattern is very popular these days. The stripes are also very beautiful.
Both are good. Whichever you choose, it'll look good on you. Oh my goodness, we don't have much time. I'll go change my clothes now. You should hurry too.
Okay, I'll just wear the dot dress.
Let's choose our shoes.
Okay. Wow, those are really pretty.
Deep purple or pink? Which one's better on me?
Try them on first.
Oh, how do I look? Maggie, what do you think of this pair?
Not bad, but try the pink ones too. Wow, that's it! They really suit your dress.
Oh. Oh, they look really good. That's it.
Barbie, what about my shoes?
The spotted pattern's a bit dark, so how about these black shoes?
All right, I'll try them on. What do you think?
Wow, you look great! They suit you very well.
Really? They are really pretty, aren't they?
Uh-oh! We're gonna be late! Let's go now!
Are we? Okay, wait for me!
Don't leave the door open!
Of course! Barbie, let's go! The fashion show will start soon!
Buckle up! Let's go!
Okay!
Oh no!
Aw.
We have mud all over! How can we go to the fashion show like this?
Oh my goodness! What should we do?
Wow! It's Magician Meow Meow! Don't worry, I'll help you. Really?
What's your idea?
Just trust me. Mew Mew's magical power, la 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 magical wardrobe!
Wow!
Wow, you're the best! This is the wardrobe of my dreams! I love this one. This too. That's pretty too. I really like these patterns. Maggie, come have a look.
Coming! Oh my goodness, they're so pretty! I like this one and that one. All the patterns on the clothes are so beautiful.
Try them on now. If you hurry up, you can make it to the show.
Mew Mew, how do I look?
Why don't you try that pink dress as well?
Mew Mew, how about this one?
This one? Try the last one too.
All right, we'll change.
Mew Mew, what do you think?
Mew Mew, look at this one.
Wow, they're very beautiful. They look really good on you.
Really?
I want to look in the mirror. This dress is beautiful. There's even a ribbon on it.
Now I'm gonna make you look even more beautiful.
Wow, this is so exciting!
Mew Mew's magical power, la 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 dressing table.
Whoa!
Have a seat. Let me do your makeup for you.
Barbie, you are so beautiful!
Maggie, you too.
You'll be the stars at the fashion show tonight.
Mew Mew, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much! I don't know what we would have done without you!
No problem. The show will start soon. Have a good time.
Thank you. Let's go.